Va fi o discuție pe care sunt fericit și bucuros să o moderez, doar că vom schimba limba, așa anume vom trece din română in English. So thank you once more for being here with us. So the following discussion will be with Carlo Driussi, Executive Vice President COO at UniCredit Bank. Hello and good morning, Carlo, and welcome.
Hello, and thank you very much.
We are very happy to have you here today with us, and thank you very much for accepting our invitation.
Thank you.
And especially for coming in person, because we really missed those kinds of events in which you can talk directly to the persons.
It was too much digital at that point. It is important to have this interaction in person, definitely.
Exactly. I think this is very nicely put. This is the one thing that digitalization came with applause, but it was too much actually every time to have discussions on the web and on the webcams. So it's good once more to talk directly. So now let's get to serious matters, as I would like to say. And I would like my first question would be how does the new post-pandemic banking universe look like? Because the pandemic has accelerated digitalizations, as we already said. But do you imagine banking shifting towards a branchless model?
Well, the point is very right, because pandemic has been a boost of something that already started in the past. And, this has started a very positive cycle in terms of digitalization and offering our clients simpler and faster services. On the other side, I do not believe that this will lead us to a full digital presence in the market, only digital, because our footprint is not a cost, is an asset to be closer to our clients. Me personally, even if I enter in a bank every day, I do not enter in a branch every day. And actually, to be honest, since 2002, I have not been a client visiting a branch, but just a colleague, because we can, check our balances. We can perform our payments with a mobile banking application. On the other side, when it comes to important investments, probably the most important investment that we can do in our life, meaning buying our home for our families, you want to be consulted by a colleague, which is leading you in understanding all the details of this important investment, or if you want to invest your money, even if not in a mortgage. For instance, for mortgages, we have created branches that are only dedicated to that, and we see that there is a very positive answer from our clients that are appreciating this kind of proximity. So, all in all, to answer your question, I think that a good balance between digital services and physical services is important.
I would totally agree with you, especially being a client of UniCredit, both with my company and as a individual person, and on a daily basis. I'm let's say at least once a week I'm visiting the branches, but now I have to tell you about the new ATMs, which are very useful for those kind of small operations. But as you stated, when I need some more information, I need the feel of an expert, of somebody who can bring me and can teach. Yes, why not teach me something new about the packages?
Thank you for being our client.
Yes, it's my pleasure. Now, moving forwards, I would like to ask you, how does UniCredit use innovation to provide clients with experiences that fit their needs and also their lifestyle?
Again, I need to mention the pandemic context, because this has been a booster, but which has started a very positive cycle, because we started offering more digital services and products to our clients and also to our colleagues that since the very first month were working remotely from home. But this then has boosted also a demand from our clients, both corporate and retail, in order to have more digital products. And in this context, there are also Fintechs that I see personally as an opportunity. and not as a competitor, you know. And for instance, we have developed with a very nice fintech Finnish one named Miniga, our mobile banking. That, from my personal perspective, is one of the best mobile banking application you can find in the market. Very useful, easy, friendly, and also with important services, because with Miniga, we have developed the possibility for our clients to manage better their portfolio of investments, so a portfolio management. Then I should list a set of services that are going from having the possibility to sign all the documents in digital for our clients, corporate and retail, to the possibility to issue instantly. When I say instantly, I mean really instantly a debit card in your digital wallet on your mobile phone. To the possibility to get discounts directly on the mobile banking with smart shops that are part of this initiative. To the possibility, as you mentioned, with the ATMs, because it's not only about mobile banking and digital services, the digital services are also those on the field. So ATMs and BNAs give the possibility to make transactions also in euro. And even if you call our call center, a virtual voice will answer you, giving you the feeling of being really natural. There is a machine learning behind, which is recognizing the Romanian accent. So all this kind of set of products and services are let's say, given at the moment to our clients.
Yes, and they are very useful. And as you stated, the mobile apps are really easy to use, and also you have everything you need right there.
Yeah.
Among others, of course. Now, thinking of implementing the culture of innovation and digital in the bank, how did you do that? Because I am sure that it's quite a challenge. And when did it start? And of course, how is it going?
Well, I'm not pretty new in this bank, meaning that I've been around for 25 years, and I've been in three countries, 9 banks of the same group. Proud of being, UniCredit family since that time. And I have to say that we started when internet started. So since the beginning of my career, I've seen that there was attention to the digital topics. At the beginning, it was called alternative channels. It was just an alternative to the common retail channels that you can find on the field. Then it became, multi-channel. Also, the importance of this sector was growing within the organization, even in the org chart of this organization. Now we are speaking about omni-channel. The idea is that we are going to have only digital products offered on all channels. So this is the kind of vision of the group.
Which is very important. And having in mind that this vision is going for a long time, as you already stated, and our main subject today is digitalization. Well, I would like to ask you what's next in terms of digitalization, of course.
The next, let's say, the best is yet to come, because our group just started a new multi-year plan. And there are 2.8 billion euro on this multi-year plan given just to digital information. And this is basically the backbone of our multi-year plan, the most important part. So I believe that, and it is not going to be only in terms of products, but I believe also in terms of services. The vision is to offer our clients a simpler and faster way. So we cannot focus only on products, but we should focus also on processes and flows to arrive to a better experience for our clients.
I think it's very important to have the best processes regarding the fact that time is the most valuable asset for everybody.
Yes.
And a good and fast process would be, I think, a very big win and a very big gain for everybody.
Yeah.
Now, having in mind that we have you have just previously mentioned the Fintechs. Well, we know that this is we know about actually the emergence of Fintechs and how it puts, let's say, an additional pressure on other financial institutions. And I would like to ask you this, is it the case?
As I already mentioned in a previous question, for me, from my point of view, fintechs are just an opportunity. I see them and us in symbiosis. It's a matter of, having the right ideas in the right moment, but also the right capacity to put these ideas in place. And I believe that we, as a financial system, are for fintechs an important opportunity in order to have that footprint, that level of capital, that level of knowledge, also in terms of data of our customers, for boosting and launching their ideas. And for us as a financial system, it's very important to have these kind of ideas and to cooperate with them, to be very, again, it's a matter of proximity to the client's needs. So, as I say, it's just an opportunity. On the other side, products are just, allow me to say something which is politically not correct. It's just a commodity, okay? It's something that we can have a fantastic idea, we can put it in place, but then after 3 seconds, 3 minutes can be copied by another bank, because there is no copyright on an idea, okay? So what is going to make the difference is the people behind, the people that are going to build this idea, to provide our clients with this idea. And this, again, one reason more why banking system and fintech can cooperate together.
And I think this is very important, to have an open mind and to find that perfect balance of cooperation,
Yeah.
so that basically both parties can gain capital regarding the clients, the market, and also the services, for better
Yes.
services. And also, I think that both of them can, let's say, make some sort of competition to reach best and better services for the clients.
Absolutely.
And this also, it's a very good and let's say healthy thing for a market to
Absolutely.
develop. So I have one more question.
Please.
And I would like to ask you, how do you keep the organization and people all connected to the newest technology?
Thank you very much for this question, because it's giving me the possibility and the opportunity to speak about an initiative that I personally just launched with the support of the management board in our bank, which is called Tech School. Tech School is an initiative based on the need to spread digital, let's say, knowledge within the bank, and then, so not only for experts. There is always a sort of magic behind the things that we do not understand, and I want to prove that digital is fascinating, but it's not magic. So we started a set of meetings with our colleagues from all area, not only from the CEO area, in order to present big topics like cloud computing or blockchain or machine learning, artificial intelligence, in order to let people understand what's behind the scene and to explain the tricks of these magicians. This is one initiative. Together in this, under the, let's say, the umbrella of the Tech School, we are also offering young students, and we made several agreements with several tech universities, the opportunity to know each other in an early stage, before they end the studies. So we are inviting the best students to an internship with us, and we are offering this possibility for them to know the business world before they end up the studies, and also for us to know them in an early stage. So this is a set of initiatives that is finding a lot of positive feedback internally in the bank and also externally in the student community, and we believe that is part of this, let's say, spread of knowledge about digital.
I really encourage those kind of programs. Let's call them that, especially for students, because in this way I think that we can have
Yes.
better professionals, and also you can directly participate in let's say a better and a higher quality of professionals
Absolutely.
in the futures. And I think that this is what we want. And beside the business part, which is very important for everybody, I think that the youngsters are the future. So that's a very, very important important topic for everybody.
Definitely.
It was a great pleasure having you
For
here
me.
today.
For
Thank you very
My
much
honor.
for the discussions, Carlo, and all the best to you. And hopefully we'll be having another discussion next year, so that
In Romanian. this
in
time.
Romanian, why not? Of course, if you would like that, so that we can better evaluate, let's say, everything that we have discussed
you.
today.
Thank
you once more, and all the best to you.
To you.